Hey, this is Doug with ITK Culinary, and today I have another trick and tip for you. Today it's about ginger and how to peel it. Sometimes when you use a peeler, when you peel ginger with a peeler, it's not that easy to do because there's little knobs and things like that in it. So what I like using a spoon. And with a spoon you can get through all the little different nooks and crannies and you just scrape it off. Very simple. It does a fantastic job with it. And sometimes you'll get pieces of ginger where your peeler will start getting clogged up with the skin. The spoon works beautifully 100% of the time. All right, so there you go. Peeling ginger with a spoon. That's your tip and trick for the week. Come back next week, we'll have another one. This is Doug, ITK Culinary. You've been served.